YouTube? Good day, everybody. Today we're going to take out the C6 ZR1 and we're going to do a point of view shot today. Let me go ahead and give y'all a small cold start real quick. The valve is closed, so it won't be too loud. I know y'all didn't come here just to hear me gab about the car. Let me go ahead and jump in and let's do this drive. All right, guys, I have the valve closed, so it's just in its only pure mode. Put it in sport. Gonna try to see if we can get a run in. Yeah, I have the traction control on, so just want to see how it runs with it on. Yep, a lot of rocks again. First gear pull. Woo, those brakes work. Let me give y'all guys one more good pull. I don't feel like that one was good enough. I didn't get up to a high enough speed, but let me see if I can try to give y'all something good to see. This car is fast. Pulling like a freight train. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I'm having to give the car a little breather. That ride was something else. I'm gonna tell you right now, the C6 ZR1 is not as stable at high speeds as the C7. Now it could be because of the fact that I don't have brand new front tires on it, nor brand new rear tires. They are still the original tires on it. But however, it is more stable, the C7, I can say. And just in case anybody was curious, the C7 does idle louder than the C6. Even when the valve is closed, it's still louder. And when the valve is open, the C7 is still louder as well. Also, the C6 ZR1 is louder than the Camaro ZL1 with the valve closed or open. So just to give y'all an inside idea about it. But hey, I'm glad everybody joined. I'm sorry I didn't upload last week, but the weather, like I said, it's bipolar here in Texas. But I'd like to say thanks to everybody who watched the video, and like and subscribe. Later. You want to count it? You can count it. Sorry I didn't catch it, but we did 4 more road races after this. And let me tell you right now, the C6 ZR1 is quicker and faster than the C7 Z06, and his C7 Z06 is the 8-speed automatic. That's just the facts. The ZR1 C6 is quicker. Couldn't get it to I couldn't get it to hook right.